So guys, how to download the camera driver of Lenovo V15? So open any browsers to Google search box to type Lenovo V15 driver. Go to this URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. Okay, you can see V15. After that, guys, this is automatic process. So automatically detect your driver, required driver to your system, and second is manual. So just click select a driver, camera, scroll down, you can see this camera driver real taken this company and which is 6-bit. So guys, install this one. Okay, just click to download. You can see the downloading is start. Okay, and then click to setup, then click to yes, then yes, then again I accept, then next, install, next, install. Now this is the installing. Then you can see this is camera driver installed successfully. Then click to OK and then finish it.